So let's start. This is the first job opening that we have, which is for cybersecurity analyst. So it's in Chennai. This is for freshers actually. Okay, and you need to work as a SOC, okay, security analyst as a SOC person, and you need to respond to the security incident. You need to conduct vulnerability assessment. You need to collaborate with the team to implement security measures. So this is the mail ID for what you can apply for. Here you can drop your resume, right? Now the next job opening that we have is a cybersecurity engineer. So this is actually a remote candidate. That's what they're looking for as a cybersecurity engineer. This is a remote role, and so so there are a couple of DC and lot of, so where you need to be approved as a hiring state or something. So there are a couple of things it's required. So you can drop a mail on arun@spvibes.com where you will get a little bit idea. And this is a kind of contract basis job which is of 12 months. So check it out if you want to apply, and if you knows what to do in security engineer, so you can do it. Now the next job opening is in the company iCloud Rix. Okay, this is a company name, and they're hiring for sales executive, cybersecurity peoples, graphic designer, software developers. So if you feels like you can fit anywhere, you can drop a mail to support@icloudrix.com, and this is the mobile number where you can apply. Okay, so I guess this is for a fresher job, like web application pen testers, or someone who is at the freshers part. You can call him and you can ask if you have any query or something. Accordingly, you can do right. Now this is another company, Save Your Web company name. Okay, so uh, this is the role for what they're looking for. They're looking for security analyst intern. They're looking for Python developer intern, and they're looking for front end developer intern. So if you wants to apply for the security analyst intern, you can apply. It's a fresher job, I guess so. And check it out. Safeyourapp.in/career from where you can look out for the things. Now next role is senior pen testers. It's in Ahmedabad, OACP, CRTP, and Cyber Warfare Labs. MCRTA is required. This is negotiable. You will be having a couple of salaries, good package, I guess. And see your date psy9.in. You can drop your resume to psy9 is the company name. They want experience, so do accordingly, right?